Hey, my name is Rick and I'm in class 10 from Grace Ling-Liang School, Kolkata. Today I have a fun magic trick to show you. I have this pot here with some crazy liquid. What's great about this is when I pour this into the container over here, it's going to change color to whatever I want it to. So I want some green in this one. As you can see, it's not green. I don't know why, but trust me, these three colors are going to turn to whatever I want it to. So this is going to be red for sure. As you can see, it is red. I was not concentrating on it, but it's fine. Now I want some yellow in this one. It's not yellow.
It is. It's turning.
It's turning yellow. Now it's yellow. Now this one for sure is going to be my nail paint color. I promise you, 100% guarantee. As you can see, it is kind of my nail paint color. This is my magic trick. Hope you enjoyed. I'm a magician now. So what seems like a cool, complex magic trick is actually pretty simple science. So I learned about indicators in school, which they basically help us in finding out whether something is acidic or basic by changing its color. So as you can see, a substance is more acidic when it's redder in color and it's more basic when it's bluer in color. Now I have these cups with me, which I poured indicator earlier. We're going to rearrange it. Okay, so this is acidic, this is less acidic, this is neutral, and this is basic. So now let me show you how I made my indicator at home. I boiled it for 5 minutes and let it cool for 15 minutes, and I noticed that the color of the cabbage has disappeared, it's discolored, and after that I strained the liquid out to get my indicator. Here I go. So now that I finally have my crazy liquid, which is actually this indicator, I'm going to explain how I did the remaining. So I went around my house looking for items which could be acidic or basic. Don't tell my mom I went around the house looking for items. So what I did was, I found a bottle of bleach, a bottle of vinegar, some glass cleaner, which is all-in or whatever it's called, some toothpaste, and my Doritos, which is unfortunately not a part of my experiment, but I'll still eat some. So what I did was pretty simple. I took some vinegar in a glass. I poured just a little bit, and I poured my indicator. And it turns red. So we know this is acidic. So here we have our 4 glasses from earlier. This has vinegar in it, which has acetic acid, so it's a strong acid. This has bleach in it, which has sodium hydroxide, and it's not as strong an acid as vinegar. This is colon, which has ammonia in it, and it's not a very strong base. And lastly, this is toothpaste, which has aluminium hydroxide, and it's the strongest base here. So that was pretty much my fun magic trick. Hope you enjoyed.